amigas, how are you? I missed you guys so much. It's only been a few days, but I'm back. So today I was actually doing a video for IGTV, which I've been posting a lot of makeup tutorials over there, and I decided to recreate that look for you guys and also share some of my favorite summertime beauty products that I'm obsessed with. So this is my new everyday out the door makeup routine also. I do switch out a few products, but the main theme around this routine is that I don't use any foundation, not even powder foundation, but I do use concealer where I need it depending on the day. So I'm going to start off with this product by Blvd. This is a really great product that I've had forever, and it wasn't until I was doing, you know, the get rid of 27 things for 9 days that I was going through all of my beauty products, and I had like 3 of these, so I gave them to my sisters and my mom. And I kept one of them, and then I'm like, okay, I need to use the products that I have. This is an exfoliating peel gel, and this is like a really amazing product, guys. So what it is, it's going to, whoa, see? Do you guys see all that stuff? That's like dead skin cells. I know, like, it's insane. My face is not that clean right now, so you can see the stuff really peel off. So you are literally exfoliating your face to a degree that I've never really exfoliated before. Like, I use a lot of like gentle exfoliators and things like that, but this little baby right here is transformational. Like, when I started using this, I had my husband, Jesse, put this on his face, my mom. See, oh my gosh, guys, look at all of this dead skin. Like, this is all dead skin cells. Like, I would recommend this like once every 2 weeks because it is pretty intense, but it's also like really gentle, you know? So it's really great for sensitive skin as well. And I'm telling you, your skin is gonna look amazing after this. So I'm actually gonna go wipe this off, and I'm gonna show you the after. And there you have it. Like, my skin feels super, super, super clean and smooth. It's so like stripped away. I feel like I can even move my finger across my face. So next, what I'm gonna do is actually mist my face with a balancing mist. This is by Laurel, and this is also like a toner, and it's going to lock in hydration. So I am going to apply this all over my skin. And then I'm gonna move on to a sunscreen. I really have been loving this one by Too Faced. Not only because it smells delicious, but it has SPF 25, and what I love is that it's an out the door, like, really nice formula. It's so easy to blend for a sunscreen, and it smells like coconuts, and that's like my favorite scent for the summer. Whoa, oh my gosh, guys, the skin is literally glowing right now. I'm not gonna do any foundation or any concealer even, to be honest with you. So I actually featured this in my last IGTV video, and this is pretty much like a blur filter on a stick. There's another one similar to this by Milk Makeup, but if you put this all over your face, especially if you're not gonna be doing any foundation or anything, this is really going to smooth out and mattify the skin a little bit. Even though it's not a mattifier, it does remove any shininess, you know? This, for the eye makeup, I've been using this palette by NARS. It's the Orgasm. It's actually called Endless Orgasm palette. This is a cream-based eyeshadow palette, super pigmented and creamy, and this is so easy to use. All you do is just swipe your finger across your eyelid, like that. Just a little bit of color, you know? That's all it takes. And then there's also this other color here that I was talking about. This one is just gonna go right beneath my eyebrow because we really wanna glow. And then I also like to add this color into the tear duct, just to open up the eyes a little bit more. Next, I'm going to add blush. This one is the classic iconic Orgasm. And then this is the Sephora Pro Small Brush. and it's brush number 74. It's like the MAC 109, a really nice shape. This is like a really great brush for so many different things, for blush, for contour, for blending in foundation, so many different things. So I'm just going to add a little bit, starting here at the top. And then there's this liquid illuminator, also by NARS, and Orgasm is also another one. I know I'm using a lot of Orgasm products, but this is the video that I did for IGTV. So I really love the look and I wanted to show it to you guys. So I am going to take the drops either directly onto the back of my hand and then pick it up with a brush like this, or like on a little palette or something like that. But I actually tried putting it on my face, but the applicator like really squirts it out and it can get like all over the place. So I am just going to lightly start buffing this onto my cheekbones. Ooh, so pretty. And then with a beauty blender, I'm gonna dab it away just to make sure it's blended. I like to add it to the forehead, like the side of my forehead, like above the eyebrow, my lip. And then I actually already have it all over my body, guys. It's super, super glowy. You can see it more on my Instagram because I did it outside, so you can see the sun just like shining. Now, I'm also loving the oil-infused lip tints that they have. This one is, of course, in the shade Orgasm, but oh my gosh, the formula, it's oily, which means that it's not sticky, but it's shiny. I am pretty much almost done. I just feel like I have to blend out this blush a little bit better on the bottom. And then the last thing that I'm just going to show you guys is this really great on-the-go hair product by Diva Curl. This is to refresh your curls, your waves, your scalp. This is a really, really great product, guys, especially now in the summer if you're not going to be using a lot of heat. And let's say you go to the beach and then you want to go have dinner without taking a shower, or maybe you don't have time to shower. All you gotta do is mist this and it smells so good, and it's also making my hair a little shiny, you know, so it doesn't look that dry, especially with like salt water and stuff like that. So this is a really great way to extend your curls if you are rocking your natural wavy hair or your curly or swavy hair. Just mist this all over, guys. This is really gonna freshen it up and you can rock it down for like a week. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video featuring some of my favorite products that I highly recommend for you guys for now in the summertime. If you want to go barefaced, if you want to add a little bit of color, if you're just more into the natural look, I would definitely recommend a lot of these things. Some of the things can definitely be switched around, of course, but I think like my holy grail products, guys, I have 3 of them. One of them, this every woman needs if you want to get rid of dead skin cells or find yourself like a really good peel that is not like, you know, super intense that you can't go outside. This is a really great one. There's of course a few others on the market. I'll find them and link them down below. I also really love this SPF 25 sunscreen by Too Faced because it smells good, it's easy to blend, and it's sunscreen. You know, you can definitely layer this and it's not going to give you like that white cast finish that nobody likes. And also, who loves putting on sunscreen when you can't blend it? Like, I have some for my son that you can't even blend, and I'm like, it takes a lot of work to blend, guys. So this is definitely the main reason why I love this one. And it smells like coconuts. That's like a big thing for me. This blur stick is the bomb. Like, I love this little invention here. It's gonna give you that like blurred filter finish, real life, not just on your photos. And so many different things, guys, but those are like my must-have products. And then the rest, like the eyeshadows and the cheek color, if you want to add bronzer, the lip color, all of those can definitely be switched up. I want to know from you guys if you have any holy grail summertime products. Please leave them down in the comments section. I want to know your favorites so I can go check them out, and I'm sure the community also wants to know what you guys are into, and you guys can like get product recommendations from each other. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit thumbs up if you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Have a blessed and beautiful day.